Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, we had a update finally for Windows 11. So if some of you look at Windows updates, you might have seen that we finally got the preview updates. And if you look at it, I installed them yesterday. Um, it comes in the form of preview update KB5083631. And it brings your build number on 26200.8328 on 25H2, and it's 26100.8328 on 24H2. As a few new features, it changes a few things, fixes a few things, and also adds new things for some people, like the Xbox mode now. The Xbox experience is there. There's a few things like that. That also, there's a few fixes for some of the problems that some people were having with different things that within Windows. There's also a kind of a new check for compatibility, making sure it's all right to get those new secure boot certificates. So after this update, maybe this is going to trigger these secure boot certificates update for those that still don't have it. One thing also is that this is preview update. We say it all the time. It is kind of slightly experimental, and so that means you can just ignore and wait until Patch Tuesday for the month of May to get this update with Patch Tuesday instead of waiting, getting it right now and maybe risking having some problems. We've seen some preview updates that were problematic in the past. So this is, if I have anything interesting to show you, I will actually make some videos about it. But yep, the preview update is finally here for Windows 11. Of course, Windows 10 does not have preview updates anymore. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, and hope that you enjoy the channel.